Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation of the AR Ninja Fryer. So this fryer is of great quality with many quite interesting features, and that is what I will present to you in this video. As usual, you will find the link in the description if you want to get it. You will also find alternatives of similar quality. In terms of basic features, it is important to know that it has a capacity of 5.8 liters, which is quite substantial. You can really make quite large portions. Its output power is 1760 watts, and it is made of aluminum, which makes it light enough for a product of this size. And at the same time, very efficient. Its silver and black design also makes it quite stylish and pleasant to look at, quite nice in a kitchen. It should be noted that it does not only perform air frying, meaning frying without oil. Although it does indeed fry, it also grills, can be used as a rotisserie, is suitable for baking, and serves as a food dehydrator. There is a 3.8-liter vegetable basket as well. That's all. It is quite large. There is really enough space to prepare many dishes and in fairly substantial portions. It also comes with a grill plate, a cleaning brush, and of course the main container of 5.7 liters. There is a technology in this Ninja Fryer that is extremely useful because it is the Cyclonic Air technology that allows for even and thorough cooking. So you won't have any issues with food being overcooked in some areas and not enough in others. Cooking will be truly even throughout the chamber, so all your food will be cooked in the same way. Of course, it is an air fryer, which allows for using up to 75% less oil than traditional frying. Especially if you use vegetable oils, it is very good for your health to reduce that consumption. And here you can reduce oil consumption for your frying by up to 75%. It also produces very little smoke thanks to its grill plate, along with a splash guard that helps prevent this kind of inconvenience, and also due to a cold air zone that helps avoid the creation of smoke. As for dehydration, you can make dried fruits, herbs, vegetable chips, potatoes, beef jerky, and all foods that can be consumed once dehydrated. You can also make cakes. There is a baking function. It can serve as an oven. So you can make cakes, you can make bread, you can make pastries. Really, it's an extremely versatile tool with which you can do a lot of things. And similarly, there is also a rotisserie function. So if you want to make chicken fillets, roast beef, potatoes, vegetables, anything that can be roasted, you can cook it with this air fryer. The Ninja is not just an AR Ninja Fryer, and that's why it has thousands of reviews and such high ratings. You will find its complete specifications in the description, and you can obviously order it at the best price. And on this channel, we only present the best products, and clearly, this Ninja Fryer is one of them. So, to quickly recap the advantages of this product, it is primarily its flavor, the authentic taste of barbecue grilling that it provides with its grill and various cooking functions. It is very easy to use for fresh foods and even for frozen foods. Cooking is quick, and in addition, it is very even thanks to the Cyclonic Air technology we mentioned earlier. There is a variety of cooking functions. You can use it as a fryer, a dehydrator, a rotisserie, or an oven. There is truly a wide variety of customizable cooking options. It is really suitable for all the dishes you want to make. There are also non-stick parts that are dishwasher safe. For maintenance and cleaning, it is once again very easy and pleasant to work with such a tool. So don't forget to click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price. You will also find alternatives of similar quality. If you want products that are more or less expensive, you will be able to find the alternatives in the description. So know that by ordering this, you will join thousands of customers who are truly satisfied, who have already received theirs, and who can now make all these dishes with great ease. Included in the box, you will find the large 5.8-liter container, the 3.8-liter vegetable basket, the grilling plate, the cleaning brush, and a recipe guide designed by a chef specifically for this product. This way, you will have recipe ideas and will always know what to make, and you will truly be able to make the most of all the possibilities it offers. I will see you in the description. I wish you an excellent day or evening. Take care of yourself and happy cooking.